Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to hide apps. Firstly, open up the Settings application on your phone. Then, scroll down in Settings and tap on the Screen Time option. Now, look for Content and Privacy Restrictions. And from Contents and Privacy, go into the Allowed Applications option. It will ask you to enter your screen time passcode, so enter your lock screen password. Then, you will be able to see all the allowed apps. To hide the application, turn off the camera application from here. After that, look for the camera application and see if it is hidden or not. Then, go back to Settings. Now, go into the Content Restrictions option. Enter your phone's passcode to access the content restriction. After that, tap on the Applications option and you can set the age restriction of the apps. If you set the specific age restriction, then get back to the home page. Now as you can see, the camera application is hidden successfully. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.